This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am.
So all students has joined the session. Today we'll start from the beginning ones like company creations. Then we'll continue the one new topics also. Sorry. So I'll share the screen. So it's a once revision class like. Okay. So you are able to see the screen, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start from once beginning. Some students has installed software in their laptop. So I'll create one new company. So here software is like this. Just double click on the software. Okay. This is two screen is there. Screen I should close. So for you it will display the screen only. In the screen you have to click on resume this virtual machine. Double click on the software, you will get this particular screen. Click on the resume this virtual machine. Okay. So it's getting loaded. So this is known as VMware workstation. Okay, so you will get SAP Easy Access screen. Click on this SPR decode bar and type SPRO. Okay, so you need to press enter, then click on SAP reference IMG. Okay, so in that case you will get display image screen, display IMG screen. Okay, so first task we have to define a company. So what we need to do? So go to the enterprise structure. Okay, then you go to the definition, then financial accounting, define company. Clear? So we're going to create one more company. So click on this IMG activity, click on new entries. Let's create one more company. Already I've created, so I'll create some different names. Okay, I'll give my name SJ10. So this I have created. So in this is what you will fill: 560011 city Bangalore, country India, language key EN, then this is INR. Once it is done, click on save. But this is not that company. I am creating different one. So you have to create a request. So what I'll give here, okay, so parent company 10. So click on save. Only short descriptions you have to give. So this request has been created. Click on this continue. Clear, students? So save this and back. So you can see the company has been created, right? So next is we are going to create a company code. Yes, students, understood this? So how to do that? How to create the company? Next we are going to create company code. So edit, copy, delete, check company code. You have to click on this, double click on the edit company code data, then you have to click on new entries. Okay. So I am going to create one company code. TA I will not create. SU10 because TA10 already we have. 10. Okay. So city, country, IN, currency. Those who have missed out any class, so I am doing revision once, so you can attend this. Click on save. So what is that? And already exists, it's telling, with the same key. SU10 it is there. Okay. So I'll change it as a SJ. I think it is there one company. It's taking SJ10 I'm taking. So it is asking company. Okay, so here you have to give 560011. So city is Bangalore, country India, region is 10. Okay, other things you need not to fill. Student, this is on company based, you need to fill all the details, but for learning purpose you can fill or you can skip that. So most important things is your title, your name of the company, your postal code, city and country, region and language. This is must. After this you have to click on enter, means that tick mark. So your request has been created, so it's already done. So click on continue. So company code has been created right now. Clear? So save this and back. So here to check positions you can see once SJ10. So it is there, it's created. Okay, save and back. Again close this. Next is define credit control area. But before define credit control area, we need to assign this, right? We need to assign the company code to company. So what we'll do, we have to go to the assignments, we have to go to the financial accounting, then assign company code to company. So click on position, J, C. So give here you can select also if you have created. It's already there, so it's not taking. So I'll click here SUJA10. So this has been saved. Understood? Clear? So this is I have done company code to company I have assigned. Okay, back. Next we have to do define credit control area. Click on this, click on new entries and SJ10. I'm giving the same, and here INR credit limit I should give 1 lakh and click on save. To save with this, next back. So here the cursor you have to put and you have to type credit control area for SJ. You can give by your name, that is, then click on save. Okay, back. Now we have to assign company code to credit control area. So just come to this assignment financial, same screen only. So assign company code to credit control area. Click on this and then click on position. Click on continue. Here we'll do SJ10. Click on save. Clear. So like this we have created. Last one for enterprise structure is business area. So define business area. Click on new entries. SJ10 business area for SJ10. Click on save. Understood students? Still there's any doubts is there? So understood the enterprise structure? Students, you understood the enterprise structure? Okay. Maybe there is internet issue here is fluctuating, I think. Okay, no problem. All students you have joined today is very good. So from the beginning, once more you can see it's a very good. You have joined all. Next, I'll tell you financial accounting. So back. So this enterprise structure has we have finished. Okay. Then you close this. This is the triangle is there. No, you can close it like that. Okay. So now we are in display IMG screen, and next step is to financial accounting. We have to create fiscal year. Okay, as I told you, fiscal year, what is that? Fiscal year is the financial year for this accounts. So there is a April to March, our financial year starting from fiscal April to March. There will be a 12 posting periods and 4 special periods. That all I am going to create now. So go to the financial accounting. Sorry, financial accounting global settings, then fiscal year. So here we have to do maintain fiscal year variant and maintain shortened fiscal year. Click on this. So what we need to do, we have to click on position. Positions, what we have to fiscal year V3. V3 is for so someone has changed. So I'll take my fiscal year, that is in actually V3 is for April to March students. It has been changed, but you should always use V3. Okay, if it is there something changes, so you can just do that April to March and 4 special periods. You can select that one. Okay, if it is like this, you can select the keys that one where it will displaying April to March. There is V6 is July to June is there. So VV is also different. So April to March we are selecting, and we have to click on copy as. Once it click on copy as, change with the company code. 10 I cannot take because already I have used that. So I am taking here suppose 18. Okay, press enter. It is not taking. If any key is not taking, you can take alphanumeric also, but I am taking suppose 19. 19 is accepting, so I'll be taking as a, just enter this number and press enter. You will get one more screen here, so you have to click on copy. So what is that? Entry 1 is the entries to be copied as the dependent entries. So you have to not only copy entries, should not, first options only you have to click copy all. Once you copy all, so it will show number of dependent entries copied 364. Just click on the tick mark. Okay, then after you need to save students. Save, it will ask you the customizing request. It should be saved with you, but when you are saving data, be careful, it should be your company, because sometimes what happen, it will be maybe a different company will display. So you need to choose from here, and you select, always select your company only. So once it is your company is displaying, so click on the enter button. Okay, so data is saved. Click on once more save, and next you click on which variant you have created. Just select that one, double click on the periods. Now you can see all it is correct or not. See here, 12 April to March, and we have a 4 special periods, 12 posting periods and 4 special periods. Like I can explain you. See here, this is your January. First month is what? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December is there. But days, how many days are there? So 31st March, 29th February, like this. But period is 10. Why? Because it is called as a year shifting. This part, January, February, March is called as year shifting. Always our financial year starting from 1st April. So posting period will be 1 for April month. So likewise, this is the December month running now. So now the posting period will be 9. Whatever entries, whatever the vouchers we are going to post the document, that will be automatically system will generate 9 posting period. This posting period will be 9. You need not to change on that. Okay, when you will do the posting and parking, that time I'll show you that. So this has been done. Just click on save button and back to the screen and back. Okay, next we need to assign the company code to fiscal year variant. Click on this, and we have to click on position. Once you click on the positions, give the company code. So my company code is SJ10. Okay, so click on this. Now we need to assign the variant. What variant I have given? I have given 19. Okay, so you need to click on save. So it is showing no posting period, so need not to worry. Just press enter once again. It will show the screen and save it. So it has been saved. Data has been saved. Need not to worry about this. It has been saved. So this is the fiscal year variant creation and assign company code to fiscal year variant. Now the next step is to field status variant. Then we'll do posting period. So field status variant, how to create, that is also one question, right? So close this all, financial accounting, then general ledger accounting. This is a chart of account, sorry. Financial accounting, global accounting, then fiscal year, I'll close it. And once again, fiscal year. Here including that you can create posting period. So just below that fiscal year students, we have a posting period. Field status variant I'll show you in the different way. So define variant, open and close posting period. So click on this, and we have to create new entries. Give here as a company code what we have as J10, and we are assigning the posting period variant for SJ10. Okay, click on save. So data has been saved. Save again and back. So check your position, it is displaying or not. SJ10. So you can see it is displaying here, students. Next is open and close posting period. Click on this, and we have some ADKMS. So I'll tell you this, but let's do with the this one, field status variant. 1 second. Students, next one is financial accounting field status. We'll do posting period detail, but after fiscal year, you need to create what is that? Fiscal your this one field status variant. So financial accounting global settings ledger field status variant. 1 second, I have discussed or not. I have a doubt. I'll just check once. Field status variant. We'll see. You just let me know we have done or not. Second. Till this, any doubts is there, students? You understood till fiscal year? Okay. Or are able to follow? What about others? Nidhi, Rukaya has sent me one message. What happened, Rukaya? Okay. So all are getting? No problem. If anything is there, please text me here only in message box. So I'll just show that we have done field status variant. One second. I'll just check. Field status variant. One second. Students, we have done field status variant. Define posting periods, field status. Okay, if you have not done, you can write down also. In SAP FICO, field status variant is predefined set of field status that control the status of fields. No, I don't think so. We have done this. Fields is a screen for a particular transactions or master record in SAP. Make a note on this and please write the path. I will be showing you how to execute. Path you need not to write. You can write from the software when I'll show you that. Okay, and field status group is as into GL accounts. Yes, we have to do now today topic. So field status group, one can define a field as an optional, suppressed or mandatory. Okay, so let's complete the topic here. One second, we'll do this one, no problem, but let's finish this first one topic. Financial accounting global settings. Okay, we are doing posting period. No, this set will complete, then we'll come back to the fiscal field status variant, then we'll do chart of accounts, and then GL posting. Okay, so open and close posting period, as I shown you, define. So click on this T, sorry, T not SJ10. We have created just now posting period. Yes or no? Posting period is created. Next, we need to do open and close posting period. Before that, students, you need to assign the variant to company code. Click on this position SJ10. So because it's mandatory, we have defined means we need to assign this. So click on save. Okay. Now one more task we are going to do, that is called open and close posting period. So click on this, and I told you last class what is the posting period, students. Plus we have to do A for assets, D for customer, K for vendors, M for materials, and S for GL account. These are the required documents which you are going to post. Means these are the main concept posting periods which is used at the time of posting and parking the document. Okay, so we have to go into create. This is, it is related to the GL accounts also. So I'll select plus. You should select plus also. Plus ADKMS. Those who have ADKS, please do not select. A plus you should select ADKMS. So if you want to remember, please make a note down. Asset, A for assets, D for customer, K for vendors, M for materials, and S for GL account. Once you select this, click on copy as. Click on copy as. So all are getting, students? So once you click on copy as, we need to change here, right? So 1 second, let me change here. It has to give SJ110 variant. What we have created, that we need to change. You should not press enter key, students, be careful. You should use the arrow key or take the help of mouse to go to the next row. Okay, if you press enter, that means data saving wrongly will happen because you have not completed data and you are pressing enter. So do not press enter, use the down arrow key which is available in the keyboard. Either the laptop also key, small 4 arrow key is there that you need to use. Okay, so I have changed all these things, and this is 2020 is given, so 20, 21, 21, 21 is there. So it is starting from the 24. I'm going to use 24. Okay, here we have to do 25. 25, 5. Okay, students, all you need to change this and all, it will be same because 12 posting period and 4 special period, so it has become total 16 posting period. You need not to change on that. So 12 posting period is completing here, then 13, 14, 15, 16. So why it is 13 to 16? Because 1 to 12, 12 posting period, and here special periods are from 13 to 16. This is also 4 special period. That's what we are creating in this way. Just press enter after filling all this thing, then number of copies 6, and click on save. Once you done, click on enter. Clear? Till this any doubts is there? Is there any doubt is there, students? You understood? Do you understood? Okay, Zainab, Nidhi, Drishti, other students? Okay, okay, good. So next is field status variant, which is the new topic. But what one more topics also we have done? Did you remember which topics we have done? Document number range, that also we have done. So we'll create that one. Then field status variant I'll show you. Okay, see this. After the save and back. Correct. So how to check? Have to click on position, give SJ110. What you have given, that you have to do. So you can see our all these things has been created. You can see on the screen. It is in the top. Back once. So next one is just below that we have to create number. So you can see serial it is. Financial accounting, global settings, then fiscal year. We have created fiscal year, assign we have done. Then just below the document we have posting periods. So define variant, open posting period we did, open and close posting period we did. Then assign variant to company code also we have done. Now the next one is define document number range. So click on this. and define document number ranges. Okay, so same company code you need to give students. Click on, see this is display intervals, you have to click on change intervals. So always the document number will start from 0 1. Okay, so click on change intervals, then click on intervals. So what we need to do, 0 1, always document number 1. So it is 2024. Okay, so from account, so just I'll take 1000, you can take 100 also, does not matter. 100 to 200, 100 to 300, anything you can take. So I'll just give 199. So 1000 documents I'm going to post, 1000 to 2000, that is 1000 only. So click on insert and save this. So it will ask you, do not scare, this is you have to do tick mark and save. Back, again back. Okay, so here no assignments, here it is done. So my new topics is there, till this much I taught, I think yesterday. Chart of accounts also we have done. So before that we need to create field status variant. Let's come to that point and then chart of accounts. So posting period is done, just close all these things whatever you have opened. Okay, so financial accounting global settings. I think we have to go to the financial accounting new. Okay, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new. Acha, one more topic is there. That is your tolerance group. Students, one path you need to write, students. Field status variant, just make a note and then I'll show you. In SAP FICO, a field status variant is a predefined set of field status that control the status of the field in a screen. So I'll increase the size of this zoom size, I'll be increasing. Please write this so that we can do field status variant. Make a note on this. Done, students? Then I'll show you with the path, do not write. So next you can do this one. So field status group is assigned to GL accounts, that is general ledger accounts. So field status group, one can define a field as an optional, suppressed or mandatory. According to the field status group, respective fields will be displayed, are mandatory or suppressed when the postings are meant to made to the GL account. So what is that? Suppressed means it will be in hidden position. Optional means it will be displaying the options like Google form, but You can fill or you can skip on that. Mandatory means you have to, it is a required field, you have to put that field. Suppose name, first name, last name is must required, so you can do. Middle name, it's optional, you can fill or you can skip, like that. Address of the company, it is required, so it will be like mandatory. Or some other things will be suppressed, which will be hidden, and which will be this one. So this field is used in the GL accounts creation, which is mandatory to fill, which is suppressed, and which is optional here. So field status group refers to a status of all fields which are available for input while document posting. Understanding? When we are doing the posting and parking and posting the document, that time this field status variant is required to enter. Is assigned to company code. All field status group which belongs to field status variant are available for assignment to GL masters in the company. Suppose I am creating rent paid account. I need to assign a GL account, right? So I'm creating rent paid account. So field status group I need to select general. Suppose I'm creating bank account. I say bank account, general ledger. I need to assign G001. I'll show you and I'll tell you make a list of all the field status variant. So now first I'll show you in front of the in the class, then you can practice later on. Now let's start with the students. You have done this, you have written. Those who have not completed, please complete. And once it complete, just response in this. So I'll get to know and I'll proceed. Okay, all have done. Good. So now see, uh, we have to go to this here. So path I will show you students. Here some of the things are there. You just make entries. This is very important topic. Path to create field status variant. So SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, we can do that. And I want to show you instead of this, I want to show you the software. Better, you can do SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new. You have to come to this. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new. Actually, it is not only financial accounting, it's a financial accounting global settings new. This is actually new. Oh, this is different procedure and that is different. In this way also you can see students, and I am showing the shortcut way. So that way also you can see, but it will take longer time. Better you this one you write. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, then ledger, then fields, then define field status variant. Which is the triangle one, no? That you make a note. Okay, done. Next you click on this define field status variant. Once you click on the define field status variant, you have to select this one, copy 00001. Okay, students copy 0001, and just I'll check it is correct or not, then we'll see. Yes, it's correct. So what you have to do is select this copy 001. How to select? You have to click in this box. Then you have to click on copy as. Once you click on copy as, students, what you need to do? You have to change this. What is that? As J10. But here also, students, someone has not changed, so you need to change here for identification. You should not save with another number, so you can save with this and just press enter. Once you press enter, you have to click on copy all. So right, so once you copy all, so 41 independent entries are copied. Click on this and save once. Okay, once you save with the customizing request, then what you need to do, you have to select again, double click on this. So you can see these are field status group students. So one task I'm giving, you can write all the field status variant. Once you do till this much, please write what is that. But nothing to write, means not more things which will write. Generally, I'll tell you. Now only you can make a note G01. So it is used for, means basically which is used for SAPFI financial accounting, that you have to select, because it's related to material management also, it related to production and planning also, so that is not required. So what and all you will select, this is G1, then G5, please make a note on this, then G001, G005, and next one is this called G067. G067 reconciliation account. Right now, this three is required, students. Please make a note. Right, field status group G001 is for text is general with text allocation. G005 is for bank accounting obligatory value date. Okay, that you write. These two first you make a note, because this three is required in the GL creations time. Okay, done, students. Next you write G067 reconciliation account. So G067 is for reconciliation account. And one more is there, G041, that also you can write, that is for tax office clearing account. So that two and this two. Okay, done, students. Have you written this? Please respond. Okay. Screen is visible to all, right? Okay, fine. So we'll continue. Okay. So next is we have done this. So G001, G0567. But I told one more G041 is for text clearance. When we are doing GST, no, that time it is required. So just click this, not required. I just for showing I did like this. You need not to select all, just for clarifications I did. Then what is that? Back. So this has been created. Just you go and double click here and just save it. Need not to choose that for highlighting why I did to show you. Okay. So save and back. So as the next one is assign company code to field status variant. It is just below that. You need not to search anywhere. After define, you need to assign this. So click on position. When remember the students, when you are assigning this, you have to click on position must. Okay. So do not get scared what I should do or something. Just click on positions because you are going to assign this. So field status variant is SJ10. We have given SJ10, right? So save this back. So this topic has been also done. So what and all we did today, you have seen that. Next, chart of accounts. This particular topic yesterday I did not teach, so I finished this. Next, we are going to the chart of accounts creations. Okay. So see once. So one more is there, tolerance group. That also before ending I'll tell you that. So chart of accounts. So how to do chart of accounts? Anyone has remembered yesterday? So can you explain how to do chart of accounts? If I've noted down, any one students can explain what is the path to create chart of accounts. Yes, students, how we can create? What is the path? I will show you once again. See this. So what you have to do? Financial accounting. So just close this. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL account, master record. Those who have not attended, please write once again. Those who have attended also, no problem. Once more you write. So go to the display IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL accounts, master data, preparation, edit chart of accounts list. Please make a note. Hmm? So here we have to click. So click on new entries, SJ110. Description is chart of accounts for SJ10. Okay. So maintain language is English. You have to choose English. GL account number is 6. Yesterday I told you why I'm selecting 6. Okay. After this, nothing you have to change. Just click on save. Okay. So click on save and save with the customizing request. Clear? So you can check positions for your confirmation. It is displaying already, so you can check it once. Next is assign company code to chart of accounts. Click on this. Click on positions. I told you whenever you are assigning, you have to click on position SJ10. So now I am going to assign the chart of account as J10. Okay. So click on save. Yes, students, it's done. Next one, define accounts group. I told you yesterday what are the accounts group: assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This capital also has come, but we are taking capital as a balance sheet under that. So it is as an what is that? Liabilities only. So separately we are not creating capital as an accounts group. So click on this define accounts group. So what and all we have to select: assets, expenses, income, liabilities, right? So click on 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 you have to select, and we have to click on copy as. So I want to change this as chart of accounts. What is my chart of account? SJ10. Take the help of mouse or use arrow key. Don't use press enter, arrow key you can use. Enter after filling all the data, so you should press enter. Not before that, or else it will take you like half a jet late. Okay, so this is correct only. 1 lakh to 199 I have given. You can change, but right now I have given 1 lakh to 199 for what? Assets. 2 lakhs to 299 I have given for liability. 3 lakhs to 399 I have given for income, and 4 lakhs to 499 I have given for expenses. After this you need to press enter. So number of copies of entries copied for, just click on save and save with the customizing request. Done. So this is accounts group has been created. Check the positions once again. It is created. Okay, save and back. Now is define return earnings account. That was the last topic yesterday. So define return earnings account. So what I need to do, I have to change the chart of accounts. It's showing TA10 SJ10. Click on tick mark. So what I should do here, X I have selected yesterday. Then I'll select 2 lakhs to 200, 2 lakhs 100. So this is for PLN account. So click on the save, press enter again and save this. So data has been saved. So this chapter has been done. Next we are going to do, what is that? Tolerance group. One more I'll tell you, tolerance group. That is also one thing is there. How to do tolerance group. Line items, display line not required. Tolerance group, business transactions. Not this. So close again all these things which you have opened. So we have to go to the financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new. Okay, students, you can see here tolerance group. So I'll tell you what is the tolerance group first, then we'll do this. You have written, students, ADKMS, assets, customer, vendor, material, GL account. If you've not written, please note down. Huh? If you've not written, please note down this. Student, this you can also posting keys. What is that? Please make a note on this. It's also important. Maintaining accounts configurations for posting key list. So as I told you, posting is 0.01 is invoice debit customers, 31 invoice credit vendors, 40 is for debit entry debit GL account, 50 is for credit entry credit GL accounts. So please write this table also. Give the heading and write. So done that, students?
No, ma'am, can you show it?
Yes, okay, no problem. Right. Time is there, you can complete. This is called line items, okay? This is posting case we are telling, and this is the line items. It's like in
Thank you,
journal
ma'am.
also.
Done.
Okay. Okay. So, tolerance group also little bit. Document splitting also it is there, no? So we have done document splitting. 1 second. Tolerance group for employees, students. The T code you can write, students. OBA4 is for tolerance group for employees, and one more OBA3 is for vendors. This you can make a note. Don't write all these things, because when you will do the transactions part, I will teach you once again this. So tolerance group meaning you can write. It's very important. But I how to use it when I'll do posting parking, that time I'll tell you. So tolerance group for employees, I'll increase the screen size. Wait. So tolerance group what? Tolerance group for employees determines the maximum document amount. Now only I'll tell you. This chapter I have opened, I'll tell you. The tolerance group for employees determines the maximum document amount the employees are authorized to post. That means how many documents one employees can post means to issue. Okay, the maximum amount can enter as a line items in a vendor account or a customer account. A tolerance group is created and assigned to 1 second, and assigned to, it is not complete here. 1 second. Assigned to the employees. This paragraph you can write. Tolerance group contains the details that control the way the system process. The cash discount, payment difference, like one example I'll give you here. Further, the tolerance limit can be defined either as an absolute. So, what is that actually? Just see one example. In a company there will be different people will be there, right? Different types of employees will be there, like manager, senior manager, junior manager, senior accountant, junior accountant, right? So how many, what are the limits, documents posting limits? So for accountant executive 5 lakhs, okay. Give an example. So accountant is 15 lakhs, manager level 25 lakhs, senior manager can post up to 30 lakhs amount document, CEO up to 50 lakhs. The CEO of the company is the main head, so he can post up to 50 lakhs of the document. So define tolerance group. In these activities you specify the various amount limits for your employees. These limits determines the maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to post a document. That means in a company, I told you different sections, different departments will be there. The maximum amount for which employees is permitted to enter line items, either it is a customer line items or as vendor account. Vendor means students, creditor, okay, suppliers of goods and services. The discount percents the employees is permitted to enter line items. To what amount payment difference can be. Now take one more example. Payment differences with a specific tolerance group are automatically posted. The system posts the difference by either using adjusting or discount posting it to different or revenue accounts. So how? Senior manager 1 crores can be post. Manager can post 50 lakhs. Senior accountant 25. Junior accountant 50 lakhs. Here also I have given example. There also. Means that many limits. They cannot cross above that. So transactions code for this AOB A4. So SAP customizing request guide, financial accounting document tolerance group. So I'll show you the path on screen. So here one example is given. Group of people. A, B, C, D is the group 1 section. Group 2 is EF. Group 3 is F. So when you are purchasing purchasing goods of 1,000 rupees, so suppose your executive is able to give to 10% still. So he is purchasing 10,000 and up to 1,000 rupees he make difference 10%. But apart from this he cannot give more items on credit. Okay, for vendors 950 and difference is 50 here. Now purchase is 1,000 rupees amount of goods. Vendor got the amount till 950. So difference is how much? 50 rupees. That much. Up to that much a person can give the differences. That is based on the company status students, how much the limits will be there. Okay. So this is called tolerance group. So you can make a note what is the tolerance group of employees. Okay, then I'll show you in the software. Already I've shown you, just make a note on this. The two paragraphs you can write and we'll go to the document splitting once. So Monday I'll start with the GL creations. Then again Friday we'll do till whatever we did in weekly, whatever we are doing Monday to Thursday, we'll do once revise on the Friday. Likewise 4 weeks class it is, so it will complete. So Monday to Thursday again, whatever I'll teach, I'll just recalls once on the next Friday also. So to this week, whatever we have done, we revised, and I've taught you one new topics like free status query. Okay, so that there should be a catch and connections between the topics and all. So you will easily understand what after what is that. Okay. T code must you write OBA4 for tolerance. I want to send you one T code list. I'll be sending you on Monday today. Maybe after the class, I'll send you the chart of accounts. Actually, it is still chart of accounts. It is there. I think I'll send you. But how to use, I'll show you on Monday. Better, I'll give you on Monday by using this one T code. How we can create all these things. I'll show you. I have not started that one. I'll be starting on Monday. Clear, students? Is there any doubts today? All you understood that? Okay. So let's continue. What is that? So tolerance group we have done. Next is document splitting. So what is the path? Tolerance group we are creating, students, now. So path is financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, document, and then tolerance group. Write that, students, path you write. Financial accounting. So we are in display image screen. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new. See this triangle and all you can write. Then document, hmm, document, then tolerance group, then tolerance group for employees. Clear? Click on this and click on new entries. Do not type anything in the group, student. Just give the company code, your cursor, keep it there. Still, just give company code. So amount per documents I'm going to give. So it will be 11.9. Amount per document I'm giving 11.9. Here I'll give 10.9. I think here I have not given one more. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay. So here I have given 11.9. Here I have given 10.9. So here I am giving 10% discount. Okay. So the cash discount for line item. So amount, how much I can difference, make the difference? 100 only. I cannot give more than that. Okay. So this is 10%, or else if it is a big amount, I can give 10% discount. I cannot give more than that. Okay, this is belongs to the revenue and expenses. So click on save. Please make a note. Understood, students? So we can save this. Okay, save with the customizing request. Clear? Till this you have understood? So just last 10 minutes we'll be doing. So till this any doubts is there? Someone has messaged. What is that? Okay, okay, your 256 free GB. Okay. So we'll check and let you know in the group. You can take in a, but the procedure is different. If you take also, I don't think so you will be able to install. So there is a longer procedure is there, okay? Free space is that we'll check with the admin, and if you want, you can take in that. You have hard disk or pen drive. So laptop has 256 GB free space, okay? Is that enough to download the software? Pen drive is there, 300 GB. Better you can take in hard disk if you have. The hard disk it can install. Procedure, sir will tell you, admin sir. I'll just check with him and let you know. Okay. 250G actually it will require at least 300 GB. So only that I'm telling. If you have a hard disk, you can take it there also. You how to
Can
connect or
we
something.
install their own?
No, you can't install by yourself. It's very difficult because which laptop I'm taking now, that also admin sir has been installed the software. So that's what I'm telling. So only
Excuse
admin
me,
sir
ma'am.
can install this. I'll just check and let you know in the group if it is possible. He will only tell that it is possible means you can take it.
Ma'am, if you have the link of the software, if you share, we'll try whether it is possible to
No,
download in our laptop, ma'am.
no, it is not a link. It is not a link. It is software only. Either you can take through hard disk, either you can install it. But better you install. Hard disk means if it will not connect, if it will not support your Windows versions, then it will be very difficult. So that's why
Ma'am, what
I'll
if
check and let you know.
somebody else have it and we can transfer it to ours?
I'm not getting your voice is breaking, Jenna.
Ma'am, what if somebody has it and can we transfer it from them, like in
No,
our
it can't.
hometown?
It cannot transfer, Jenna. Asha, can you tell me? Can you put a thumbs up those who have installed today? I got the information 5 to 6 students got installed. Nidhi, Harshita, okay, Jayashree. I got the information 6 students. Any other students? Drishti? Then who has installed? Then sir has given information. 5 students has installed. Brinda?
Ma'am,
Yes, Brinda.
I could not install it, ma'am.
What happened actually?
The hard disk did not support my laptop.
Okay, okay. We'll see what can be done. That is a system requirement, so only I know. Okay, we'll let you know. Those who have installed practice. Those who have not installed, they can come to our center, Jayanagar. So by next week you can come. Any of tomorrow Saturday. Any day you can come. Monday to Saturday it is open students 7 to till 9. You can come anytime. Okay, you can give your systems and it will be getting 2 to 3 hours for installation and you can take your laptop back. That is only one solution. So, sir has went one time. So those who have not installed, they can come to the center also. So NICT
Ma'am, we need
Jayanagar.
that Ma'am, we need that software only for the final test, or we need it during this class, ma'am.
I did not get you. Sorry.
We need that software for the entire classes in between, or only for the final test, ma'am.
No, no, that is for your practice only. You will be attending classes, but whenever free in the home, you should practice, na. So that is the things. If you have learned one subject, you should have the software. It is not like
Okay.
now urgently you can do, but you have to take because otherwise what is the use before you have learned this how to use the software you should know this then in future it will be required because after this you get the certificates also. So better you to install not immediately but as soon as possible you can take it what I'm saying. Okay, so you
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
I'm teaching you will be able to do that and you can ask the doubts and you can solve it still we have a lot of time. Correct.
Ma'am, even after the course completion, will we have access to the recorded classes?
Yes, I am not getting Zen. Voice is breaking.
Uh, Ma'am, even after you finish the classes, like after you finish the course, will we have access to the recorded classes?
Can you text me? So because voice is breaking.
Ma'am, she is asking even after the classes, will there be access to recordings in the group?
Recordings will be get we will be getting no problem. Every class recordings you will be getting no problem.
No, ma'am, I'm asking after the completion of course.
Huh. After the course, how we'll get the recordings? In the class durations only, we are sending you the recordings.
Ma'am, she is asking if the present recordings will be available for us. Can we open it even after the completion of the course for future use when we
Yes,
have
few
doubts?
days you can open. I think few of the days you can open it. After this, still the link will be there. You can use this. Few days it will be there. Suddenly it will not link will not delete. It will be there for few, at least 1 month it will be there, I think. So you can practice on that. No problem.
Ma'am,
Okay.
and one more doubt for the final test, what kind of questions like we may get
It
only
will
like
be
theory
MCQ.
or both practical, ma'am?
No, it will be MCQ students. Will share you one
Okay, ma'am.
Google form. Then it will be just clicking. That's all. No entries and all. You need not
Okay.
to worry about that. But whatever I am
Okay.
teaching you, thoroughly you go through this.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that is the things.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's complete the topic, students. So tolerance group, you understood how to create, right? And document splitting already we did yesterday. Okay. So I'll show you once before ending, so it will be all clear. Then GL creations will be. Still, we have a lot of time. You need not to worry about this, but go thoroughly with the records. Then define tolerance group for employees we did. Let's close this. Acha. Let's tell me how to do document splitting. Here we have document splitting. Now path will be different. Yes or no? So general ledger accounting. Mhm. I taught yesterday. Who can remember? Yes, business transactions, document splitting. Yes, what we need to do, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transactions, then we have a document splitting. See this 1, 2, 3, 4. This 3 triangle arrows you can see. Financial accounting, you can write now also. Financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transactions, document splitting. Okay, so click on classify GL account for document splitting. So SJ10, click on this. Now click on new entries. Okay, so 1 lakh to 199. Then this is for balance sheet. Then 2 lakhs to 299. This is for also balance sheet. Why? Because it's a liability account what we have created. Next is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs to 399. That is for income. Means revenue. And this is 4 lakhs to 499. That is for expenses. Okay. So after this you have to save, students. Save with that. Clear. So this we have done. Next class we'll do GL creations. Clear. So today 2 more new topics I taught. What is that? Field status variant and tolerance group for employees. With this revision. Clear. So we'll wind up the sessions. Any doubts you have, students? Make a note on this. Yesterday I taught. Those who have done need not to write once again. After this, directly we are going to the GL creations. Before that, document types I'll teach you, or else GL creation after this document types. So understood? Any other doubts you have, students? Any other doubts you have? All you understood? We did once from beginning also today. follow this. Recordings will be there till next so many times, it will be there. Do not worry about this. And today's recording will be sending tomorrow. Okay, that's all for the day, students. We'll wind up the session. Okay, so just make a note. This practice, those who have installed, try to do once again. Okay, and you are stuck, you can ask me in the class also. Right, those who have installed. So those who have not installed, will see if they are possible, they can come to the center and we can. That's all, students. We'll continue on Monday. Tomorrow there is no class. It's a Monday to Friday class. Okay, same link you can join for the Monday at 6 o'clock. Okay, well, have a good night. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.